one of the best things about living down here in St. Louis area, and especially in Soulard, is that we have such a cultural area here. You know, we got art, we've got music, we've got a lot of adult entertainment, but you know, it's a great place also to raise your kids too, because we do have a lot of parks around this area. This way, take a left. It's become a destination for music. With the Blues Week, we're starting to get a lot of people from France and Germany that are coming down, and now they're making this a destination every year. Said that even one bar owner went so far as to saying that they wouldn't let them put the machine in their bar unless they had my music in it. All right, here we go. Woo! Cruising in the Camaro, man. Oh yeah, I think you should peel out. I really do. Honestly, we should peel out. I consider myself like a blue-collar musician. I'm a blue-collar worker. I work a 40-hour day job, and I do this at night. And I really don't get a lot of sleep, and I make a lot of sacrifices, you know. To do what I do makes it hard to have a relationship with somebody because I'm never available, ever, ever, ever. All right, so right up the street here is Humboldt. Humboldt was a visual performing arts school when I was a kid in grade school. Played clarinet, of all things. And it was right down the street from Anheuser-Busch Brewery, and we didn't have air conditioning or nothing, so all year long you could smell the brewery coming in. And for me it became a real natural thing, you know. I kind of got used to it, so I really actually like the smell of the brewery now. So it's nice to live down here and smell it, because I know they're making fresh beer. I think we should smoke the tires off is what I think.